We'll guide you through how to use Google Docs Grammar Check to ensure your documents are polished and professional. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Docs document that you'd like to check for grammar issues. Once your document is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Spelling and Grammar, then click on Spelling and Grammar Check. Google Docs will automatically start scanning your document for any spelling or grammar errors. You'll see a sidebar on the right, where Google will highlight the issues it finds. For each suggestion, you'll have options to accept, ignore, or learn more about the rule that prompted the suggestion. If you agree with a suggestion, click Accept to make the change automatically. If you think the suggestion is incorrect or unnecessary, you can click Ignore to leave your text as is. The Learn More option can be really helpful if you're unsure why a suggestion was made, as it provides more information about the grammar rule in question. This process helps you understand and improve your writing skills over time. Once you've gone through all the suggestions, your document will be free of basic grammar and spelling errors, making it look more professional and polished. Remember, while Google Docs' Grammar Check is a great tool, it's always a good idea to do a final review yourself, as no automated tool can catch all nuances of language. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.